Having trouble connecting your Tesla app to your wall connector? You're not alone. Many Tesla owners experience Wi-Fi, breaker, and setup issues. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these common problems. We'll cover practical steps to diagnose and resolve connectivity issues so you can monitor and control your charging effectively. The Tesla wall connector relies on a stable Wi-Fi connection for its smart features. It can connect to either a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network, but we recommend 2.4 GHz for better stability and longer range. Your electrical breaker must also be correctly rated and wired. For Gen 2 wall connectors, use a 50 amp breaker. For Gen 3, you'll need a 60 amp breaker to handle the load safely. For initial setup, open the Tesla app and scan the QR code on your wall connector. The app will guide you through network confirmation and other setup steps to get your charger connected. If your Tesla app isn't connecting to the wall connector, start by checking the basics. First, ensure your Wi-Fi router is within 100 feet of the wall connector for a strong signal. Next, check for potential interference from household devices. Common culprits include microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices that can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. Verify that your router uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for security. These protocols provide better protection than older standards and ensure compatible connections. If the connection remains unstable, perform a factory reset on the wall connector. Press and hold the physical reset button until the lights flash, then repair the device through the Tesla app. During repairing, follow the app's guided setup process to connect the wall connector to your Wi-Fi network. For more stable connections, consider switching your router to the 2.4 GHz frequency band. This band offers better range, though it may be slightly slower than 5 GHz. Use the Tesla app's diagnostic tools to monitor signal strength in real time. The app now logs connection data to help identify patterns and prevent future Wi-Fi issues. Breaker issues often manifest as frequent app alerts or the breaker tripping during charging. The circuit breaker protects your electrical system by interrupting power if it detects an overload or fault. One common cause is loose wire connections at the breaker or wall connector. Loose connections can cause arcing, overheating, or intermittent power loss. Inspect all wiring for tightness and ensure terminals are securely fastened. Ensure you're using the correct wire gauge for your circuit. For 50-aught circuits like Gen 2 wall connectors, use 6 AOG wire. Using undersized wire can cause voltage drops and overheating, leading to breaker trips. Make sure the breaker isn't shared with other high-load devices like electric stoves or air conditioners. Shared breakers can overload the circuit, causing frequent trips. Use dedicated breakers rated for at least 50/8 or 60/8 for Gen 3 models. The Tesla app now includes virtual breaker testing to simulate loads and identify potential faults. This tool runs diagnostic simulations to check for wiring issues or overload risks before they cause problems. Access it through the charger settings in the app. The first step in setting up or troubleshooting your Tesla wall connector is to ensure both the Tesla app and the device's firmware are up to date. This is crucial for compatibility and accessing the latest troubleshooting features that can resolve most connectivity issues. Begin by opening the Tesla app on your phone and checking for updates. Make sure you're using version 4.25 or higher, as this includes improved setup wizards and error diagnostics that prevent many common problems. Once the app is updated, navigate to the wall connector section in the app to verify and update the device's firmware. The app will guide you through this process, ensuring your wall connector has the latest software for stable Wi-Fi connections and breaker monitoring. If connectivity issues persist after updates, the app's troubleshooting tools may suggest updating to the absolute newest firmware version, or in some cases, reverting to a previous stable version. This hierarchical approach resolves 90% of setup problems according to Tesla's support data. Remember, keeping your app and firmware current is the foundation for reliable wall connector performance. Always start with these updates before attempting other troubleshooting steps. The Tesla app includes a dedicated help section specifically for troubleshooting wall connector issues. This section provides clear error codes that pinpoint the exact problem you're facing. For example, Code 100 specifically indicates a network connectivity issue. This could be due to Wi-Fi problems or signal interference. The app will display this code when it detects connection failures. To resolve code 100, first restart your router and the wall connector device. Then verify you're using a 2.4 GHz network for better stability. Finally, ensure both the app and device firmware are up to date. Another common code is code 200, which signifies a breaker fault. This indicates potential electrical issues with the breaker's setup or wiring. The app will alert you to this when it detects breaker-related problems. For code 200, start by inspecting the breaker for any loose connections. Ensure the wire gauge matches the required specifications. Use the app's built-in diagnostics to test the breaker virtually. These error codes are designed to guide you through resets and basic fixes. If the problem persists after following the app's guidance, it's time to contact professional assistance for further help. Let's examine some real-world case studies to see how users have successfully resolved Tesla wall connector issues. In one suburban case, a user in California experienced app disconnections caused by router firmware conflicts with Tesla's preference for 5 GHz networks. The solution involved switching to the more stable 2.4 GHz band and updating the router's DNS settings to ensure proper connectivity. Another example comes from a New York apartment complex where shared electrical breakers were causing frequent tripping and app alerts. Tesla's firmware updates introduced breaker isolation checks that simulate electrical loads and guide users through proper rewiring. This increased system uptime significantly. In rural Texas, farmers struggling with weak cellular signals found success through Tesla's partnership with Starlink. The satellite internet integration provides reliable fallbacks for wall connector connectivity, transforming challenging setups into stable charging solutions.